Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when when the sound is not working or when there's no sound in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to our taskbar, and then you will find the speaker icon just beside the Wi-Fi icon. So once you found that, please make a right click and then click on the troubleshoot sound problems. So once you click on that, it will start detecting and diagnosing for the problems with your sound, and it will automatically troubleshoot and fix it for you. So if you're provided with the steps that you need to take or the actions that you need to take, kindly please just follow the instructions provided. And then once you're done with this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. After doing the troubleshooting process, we'll now be going to the control panel. So please go to your Windows search tab and then type control. You will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on that to open. And then if your window doesn't look like this, simply go to the view by options here and select the category 1. And once you're in here, once you got the same window just like this one, please proceed with the hardware and sound option. Now please make a click on that and then go with the sound option. The moment you do that, you will get this small window coming up. All you need to do is just to make a right click on the speakers option and then go click on the properties. Now, once you are in the speakers properties window, all you need to do is just to look for the enhancement tab here in the tab. So, since I don't have that, just please go or click on the enhancement tab in your device and then click on the disable enhancements option. And then once you have done that, go back to this speakers properties window here and then proceed with the advanced tab. And here all you need to do is just to select the sample rate and bit depth to be used when running in shared mode. And once you have already selected for other sample rate and bit depth, all you need to do is just to click on this test button here to see whether it's working or it produces sound. And once you see or you hear that there no sound, then you can now click or change another simple rate and bit depth, and just look for the option that works for you. Once you're done with this one, please click on apply and then click on OK and make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we will be updating our driver, and to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the device manager options. So once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to go with the sound and video controllers or sound, video, and game controllers. Now, once you found it, please double click on that to expand, and then please select the main audio driver or device that you have there, just like this one, and then make a right click, click on this update driver option. And if you're connected with an internet, please go with the search automatically for drivers. And once you click on that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just please go click on this back arrow key here, and then we need to go click on the browse my computer for drivers option and then click on let me pick from a list. And here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have there in your device. All you need to do is just to select the latest one, or you can also, or if you have already selected the latest one and yet the sound is not working, then you can roll back your driver and select the older version or the later version. And then once you have done that, just click on the next button here, and after you got a notification the Windows have successfully updated your driver, simply just make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed once you're back. And if it's still not fixed, then just go back to this window, and all you need to do is just to click on the other drivers there and then just do the same process. Click on next and just make a quick restart after each trial. And once you're done with this one and yet there's still no sound produced by your device, all you need to do is just to click on the make a right click again on the audio driver there and then click on the properties and go to the driver tab. Instead of updating it, we will be uninstalling it. So just please click on this uninstall device option. Check this attempt and then click on this uninstall, and after doing that, just click this scan for hardware changes option, or you can also click on this action tab and then click on this scan for hardware changes. Once you're done doing this one, it will automatically reinstall the driver that you have just uninstalled, and just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, so see if the problem is already fixed and your sound is now working. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.